we're going to watch today has a lot to do with the project planning board. And we're going to see today when we're building an application, like our metaphor is the building right across the street from us, right? We've watched them for 9 months push dirt around, right? What's happened in the past 3 weeks? The metal is going up, and it's happening pretty quickly, right? So what controls can I use to recreate this interface? Will this work? In coming up with an idea. And you guys will go through this process with him of choosing the right control. Okay? How to get the right controls to display or create the functionality that we want. That's a big, big challenge for development. Okay? Very big challenge.
Okay, hi, I'm Charlie Serchuk. I'm an advanced DB and advanced networking student. Well, I've learned a lot about, just basically for networking, just how to set up a network. Especially right now, we're focusing on the Cisco hardware, which forms the backbone of a lot of the internet. Basically, right here, these are the interface slots, and what this one has is just the default Ethernet interface here, and then also these 2 ports here is the console port and the auxiliary port. And basically, my goal is to get ready to be able to take the CCNA exam.
We have the CCNA, and it stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. So, you know, we're kind of like a bookworm. We kind of like to read all this.
It's an HTML book. It teaches us how to code. I learned how to code in Web 1, but I still read this book, which is really helpful in Web 2. So make sure that you get through this kind of quickly, and then you make some milestones on your ongoing project. Oh, I see this one.
What kind of voice was that?
Oh.
So you want me to introduce myself?
Yeah.
Alright, my name is Eric.
My name is Dariush, GS Azmoudeh.
I'm Robert Davis. I'm talking in a high-pitched voice.
My name is Jose Ganda, and I work here at TechFutures. I work with Paul, help manage the class.
I'm Paul Gessling. I'm the networking instructor at JFK High School for the IT Academy here.
I'm Seth Lewis. I'm the Advanced Database and Beginning Database Applications instructor.
Hi, I'm Wayne Good. I teach web design.
And what are your students like?
Oh, my students are wonderful. I have the most wonderful students. Somehow, I don't know how that happened, but I got assigned the best students, all the best students, seems like from every school.
What do you think the most challenging concept or activity was for your students this year?
Oh, subnetting. Subnetting first off. We went through that and they've got it down pretty cold, better than any other class I've had so far.
If you don't know an iPad, every computer has an iPad.
One of the most difficult things is just when the work gets really technical around programming and CSS. That's pretty hard for some kids.
I'm trying to create a website for a long time. I'm rusty.
It's a lot easier to do codes up in here. It automatically gives you a list of tags that you might want to use.
We still try to establish what room it is. The one on the end here, it's all good to go.
Okay, it's all good?
Yeah.
They're all IE5 something?
They're all IE6, Adobe, and a printer mapped to it on the TechFutures account. There's an account called password is
We got all the students working on web design, designing layouts for themselves and for other clients. They worked on stuff around color palette, composition, information architecture, and a whole bunch of other topics that come up in web design. And they really excelled at it, and there were some excellent projects. I was especially proud of Jingjing, who actually grabbed onto working with Illustrator, which is one of my favorite programs, and most people run away from it in fear for some reason.
Explain your job.
Well, my job is like telling people what to do and tell them the priority and what needs to be done. And basically, that's it.
I'm currently right now a database developer, and this is a very interesting and it inspired me a lot to become more involved in this academy.
We have these jobs and everybody's assigned a job. We actually have virtual teams where we work with Kennedy students.
It doesn't have to be, narrow vision technology, but that is kind of the overall. But you do need to complete this exercise and need to be thoughtful about it. All right, let me go get the URL. I'll be back. You guys start thinking and writing about your portfolio.
Am I?
Anything else we can think of? Rob, camera, anybody, crowd?
Naval vessels, so I can
Yeah. It's really top secret. We're not on camera anymore.